I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select PODS. Choose pod type. Choose post status. Comment status. Choose an author. Map the respective fields. Here are the advanced features in the conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Save. Now go to your form and fill up with data. Click on the Submit button. Then go to the PODS Custom Post dashboard. And here you can see that a new post was created successfully under PODS Custom Post. Thanks for watching.